Okay guys, here's some things we're gonna open up today. I'll show you guys that came in, specifically the wheels. I'm gonna set one up on the car and see what we got, man. I'm praying that everything is okay. The front, I believe, is gonna be fine. I'm just curious about the back. I'm not sure how the back is gonna play out. So we're gonna find out right now. So get ready to enjoy this video, guys, and we're gonna go from there. But first we're gonna open up this box and then that box, then let's check out the wheels. Before we open it up, guys, I'm gonna show you something else came today. This valance, guys, the one on the car, I wondered why there was a gap between the chin spoiler and the body. It looked like something was missing, and you can't see this stuff online anyway. You don't see anybody got videos on showing you about it. And I stumbled across a video that wasn't talking about this particular piece, but it showed on the car, and I'm like, that's missing. And I know what a valance is. I'm like, that looks to be a valance. And sure enough, it was a valance. Very expensive piece, and this came today. Like some damage to it right here. Sand that down, man. They just rough. See, you got on a board to kind of keep it stable. But I'll take it out the box to kind of look at it. It's a fiberglass piece. So let's open up the other things, guys, and see what we got. There's some new style headlights, guys. Still, somewhat has that factory look, but with a modern style to it. Has the regular bulb in there, but it also has wiring for that blue bulb to give a different look. Like I said, I want to stay factory as much as possible, but a little modernized. So, this is the set. The other one, I'm gonna break them. So put these back. These should look good on here though, lads. So there's a chrome cap here. The center part of the steering wheel for the horn, to make the horn function. So this is how the steering wheel came, guys. That Mustang steering wheel. I think it looks nice. Feels good. Just gonna change that center cap out to the Cobra cap for the horn. Yeah, but I like this look. I'm feeling this. Okay, now it's time for what we all been waiting for. The wheels. This is my first time looking at them too, guys. It's in the evening. I was anxious to open them early, but I said I was gonna wait for you guys. So let's see what we get. They're wrapped up pretty good, half that. So we're gonna take them out and put one on the car and see how it looks. All right, you guys ready? Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys rims. Before I show the rims, guys, I want to say this. These are 13s on this car, guys, and I wanted to go with a bigger rim. I was looking at a 15-inch wheel, and I thought that'd be nice, but I stumbled across a 17-inch wheel, and it's nice. You know, I want to keep it. I could have changed it to 5 lugs, guys, easily, but I want to keep the car as stock as possible. I don't want to take too much away from how it originally came, so just want to find some 4-lug rims that'll fit. And although there's not many, I found some that I thought was cool. So let's take them out the box. And I know I'm prolonging, guys, but let's take them out the box and see what we got. Guys, you see him? There you go, guys. I'm trying to trick you guys. I'm gonna set one on the car, guys. I gotta kind of keep the anticipation up for you guys as well as me. So this is the backside of them. They a little deeper than I thought. Thought they had more lip on the front. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I sent them the wheel pattern, guys. I measured all the measurements they asked me, and they saying that they should fit without any spacers. Worst case scenario, I have to get a spacer for the rear, but we're gonna find out right now. So let me get one on the car, guys, and I'll let you see that. So it's still, the mystery is out. Hope you guys are excited to see it. So let me get it on the car. Okay, guys, I got one of the rims on the car. It fit, and it looked like it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna do some turning. Of course there's no tire on it, but I can get an idea. I'm gonna go with a low profile tire, but here we go, guys. What do you guys think? I got the light in there to show some space. This is a 17-inch wheel. Let's get it all in here. It cleared out everything. So I'm gonna turn it all the way to the right. Guys, like I said, there's not a huge variety of wheels for this 4-lug, for this application, but I thought these were awesome, and it's a big wheel compared to what was on here. So last time. So let me turn this light off, get a better look at it. I think it gives it a sporty look compared to those, and I think it'll complement what I'm doing or where I'm going with this. Just like I said, I want to keep it stock as possible. So let me turn and see where we're at with the wheel. Okay, that's all the way in. Even with the low profile tire, I'm gonna clear that fender. The backside, we're gonna clear. I can't see it rubbing on anything. The front looks to be fine. It won't hit up there anywhere. It won't hit back here anywhere. So let's turn it in and see would it hit up here anywhere. That may be an issue, but turning that way, it seems to be fine. Okay, we're turned all the way in now. God, we may be okay. There's a chance. I don't think it's gonna even hit this. Like I said, I'm going with a low profile tire. Everything else seems to be good. We're gonna watch that lip. And if I were going with a taller tire, guys, it may hit in there, but the tire I'm going with, it should be fine. So yeah, I think it's gonna clear it, guys. Let me ease it out a little. Yeah, that's gonna clear, guys. That's gonna clear. There's a whole lot of space there. It's gonna clear in. Cause if I was going with a big tire, I may have a problem. So this seems to be okay. The back is my concern. So let's get it on the back. It's gonna be fine as well. Like that tire is not gonna rub up against anything in here, period. And it's all the way on there. I was nervous of it rubbing up against the leaf spring, guys, but that's not gonna be the case. Got about well over an inch there. And the tire lip shouldn't come out that much. Like I said, worst case scenario, I can get a 1/4 inch spacer, but it's the same on both sides on the leaf spring. That's the only issue here is the leaf spring. And this is, let's get the measuring tape. Okay, from that bracket, about an inch. So we're about an inch from touching the spring. If it's up here, it's about 1.25 inches touching this. So this is what I'm worried about. It's about 1 inch away. That tire's not gonna stick out 1 inch. And here, the back side, let's look. About 1 inch as well, easy. So other than that, guys, they're gonna clear. It's how these rims are made. If you look at that, guys, how this part of the wheel, it allows the rim to clear all the things. The guy said they would fit. He said the back would be the most concern, but the back looks great. So I'm gonna get a tire on one of these things and see where we at, guys. But they look great on here. They really do. Can't wait to see them on tires. Like I say, when the car's fully done, it gives it that a little modern look, as well as keeping it, because these like Mustang wheels. These are like Mustang style wheels. So keeps it with that Mustang style, but a little bit more modernized 4-lug wheel. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I got so much more coming. Like I said, the paint won't go in for about another 1.5 months, so I'll be doing everything else to it. Engine install, getting everything under the hood perfect. This fuel line don't work, so this is holding me up from changing the shocks and stuff, guys. The brand new fuel line they sent me is not the right one, so I'm waiting on them to send me other. That's holding me up a whole lot from doing a lot of things, because the fuel line is actually, it's not in the way for the rear shocks, guys, but it does, it's easier to shake the shock down, much easier when the gas line is out the way. So I'm waiting. The other old gas line is down, so there's nothing up there right now. This is the brake line that's hanging. It connects to the connector for the, and I did a whole how-to on that too. So when it comes, I'll upload that on the channel. How to remove it, all the entire fuel line, and go back up with another one. So excited about the wheels. Let me show you guys the shocks. Going back with the same KYB shocks that was on here from the factory. They're over here. They're here. So shocks are ready to go up. And the car didn't need shocks, guys. The car drove really well. It didn't need shocks at all. So just putting them on there just to kind of preserve the life of all the components. And since I had everything off, might as well change some of the common things. So those shocks are 45 years old that's on this car. And they still were fine. Like I said, the car only has 50,000 miles on it. So why not change out the shocks since I was right there? And we're getting it together, guys. So I hope you like the wheels, guys. Let me know what you think of them. They didn't have much of a choice, and I wanted to go with a bigger wheel. I'm pleased with it. These 17 inches, 17 by 8. Let me show you guys the exact size before I close this video out before I forget. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Many more videos coming on some of everything. And I'm picking up another vehicle tomorrow. It's a project, guys. Another project that I'll be adding to the channel. Like I said, my dad's been in the hospital, and it's kind of got me down because we're so close. And, man, he's not that old, man. Just to see him go from being well to not to where he's at, it sucks. But all it does is I work super hard to keep my mind off of him. And I'm just going to keep pushing, getting aggressive, kicking out videos back to back, and getting the car done. So I'm also working on the hatch right now. I'll be getting the hatch on here in a second so it can just go right in when it gets painted. And what else I'm doing? Well, just stay tuned, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and you'll see all the stuff that I'll be uploading, like, aggressively. So hope you enjoyed this video once again. Chance, I'm out.